The dream that's left of us are pictures in the ash, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can touch. All your empty promises break me apart. The dream that's left of us are pictures in the air, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can't touch. All your empty promises break me apart into pieces.
Hanging on to every word you said, like a smoke you keep filling my lungs. All our dreams echo in my head. Stole my heart and turned my love into a weapon. Bullets of deception, never pulled the trigger, always kept me guessing. Now I'm watching you walking out the door and pick up my heart laying on the floor.
There's something about you blinding me when I looked in your eyes. My intuition screaming cause I've overseen those eyes. Now I'm setting fire to the years of you and I. Don't know how to say goodbye.
The dream that's left of us are pictures in the ash, but I can't burn these memories trapped in my heart. Now all that's left of us is a love that I can't touch. All your empty promises break me up.